Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. I love to accessorize with bright colors, so when I discovered these sunglasses from MEETSUN, I was immediately drawn to this beautiful pop of color. This is the blue frame and blue lenses. However, I actually consider the frame more of a green color. These are a polarized lens, which I prefer with sunglasses because it just enhances your vision, it makes your line of sight very clear, and it doesn't take away from the natural colors in the real world. Every time I wear these, I get compliments on them, no joke. Not only are they so cute, they're very comfortable. Even after wearing them all day long, my head doesn't get sore. Sometimes like with things around my head or that tension, I can get headaches. These are very secure, but not to the point where they're uncomfortable. These come with a carrying case and a microfiber cloth, so you can carry them around in your purse without having to worry about the lenses scratching. I'm obsessed with these. I got 2 pairs and I kind of want to get more just to have fun colors. So if you're looking for some incredible sunglasses for the beautiful summer sunshine, you should definitely pick these up from MEETSUN. You're gonna love them. And that's my point of view.